Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. If you're new here, welcome. And to all my old friends, hi, I didn't get lost. I'm still here. Anyway, go ahead and hit that button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I found this cute little desk set that I'm going to make over into my Alice in Wonderland Christmas. It is sponsored today by Indiana Jones and Antoinette Decorating. Nice ladies, my friends for a few years now. Maybe 3, 4, I don't know. A while. Anyway, I got this at an estate sale for really cheap, and it's an older, kind of mid-century desk set, and it needs a redo. And what way to redo it but with Alice? I'm using a DIY cottage color, and I think it's white linen. And forgive me before I start. I don't know why I kept getting out of frame. It was terrible. I cut off a lot of the video because it was so awful. Anyway, here's the pencil holder. And this leather took really nice to the paint. So just getting my base down with all my pieces. There's another pencil holder. And it's got a metal liner in it. And of course, here's the desk set that you could store paper in, or letters, or cards, or whatever you need. Yeah, I think I'm done doing my estate sales. So now it's time for me to get to work and do something with the ones I picked up. I picked up some really cool pieces that need to be remade. And I love to do them in the granny chic, cottage core, shabby chic. But since I'm a granny, I'll just do it granny chic. If you wonder what I've been doing, I'm still trying to organize this house, still working on unpacking boxes from the garage. The house is pretty much organized, but I still got boxes to unpack. That could be a never-ending job. Now I've got these cute rub-on transfers from Prima. And I'm going to be decorating all the items with them. They are just cuter than all get out. All you do is lay them down, and they're a little bit sticky. Make sure they don't touch anything beforehand. The first time I used them, I touched part of the cover and it stuck. So just make sure you only touch it to the place you want to do it, because once they're down, you usually can't get them back up. So then what you do is you've got a stick and you just rub them. If you like those ones from Dollar Tree, you'd really like these. They're more expensive, but oh my gosh, they're like a dream. And there's a few companies that make great transfers. And here I have Mr. Bunny. I'm late for a very important date. What a fun way to decorate for Christmas is doing Alice. You can do Alice for anything. Oh my goodness, that design would just work for anything. So I'm measuring across the top. Make a little mark. Yeah, do you like the way I mark things? Whatever's handy. So you can take the transfers and cut out parts. If it doesn't fit, you can cut out part of it and make it fit for what you need it to. You'll see I do that a little bit later with some ornaments. They really had some pretty flowers on this transfer kit. And I've got a tray I'm going to do. I just didn't get around to doing it. I went on May vacation. Well, first in May, I pulled a muscle in the back of my leg, and it's just not getting better. And I went on vacation to Scandinavia, and it still was really bothering me quite a bit. And it's just not gone away, so it's just hard for me to sit on my leg to do the crafting. But I just found a new doctor, and she's going to set up an appointment to see a physical therapist and see if they can figure out how to make it go away. Anybody got any ideas? Let me know. And so I've just been kind of puttering around the house and doing things around here. And I do have some great ideas. So just need to get my rear in gear. And I found this little tiny tea set, and I'm painting it red and green. Now I did find something else that's supposed to help. It's called Slick On or Slick Stick or something like that, and I just barely got it after I'd done this, where if something's real slick, like these little things or ceramic or metal or something like that, you can put that on there and it will help. When it dries, then you can paint it and it helps it stay. So I got this cradle, and I'll have to list where I got it from. I noticed somebody had one the other day. One of the crafters had one the other day, and I bought one for my friend Avita, and oh my goodness, they are like perfect. If you're doing something round like a bottle or something, that thing is wonderful. Now, okay, you saw where I put Alice. Okay, see where Alice is? Now see if you can figure out what I did wrong. Hey, anybody guessing what I'm doing wrong? I'm putting the cat's head upside down. I mean, I guess it'd be okay for the Cheshire Cat to be upside down because he does strange things. But then I take the Mad Hatter and I put him upside down. Oh, I swear. Pay attention. And I found this tree in one of my endeavors, and it had these little green bows on it, and I thought, I think it needs something. So I did a little splash of paint in the middle of each bow. And then now I've got some red berries that I can put on it. But I didn't have anything at the time. It's hard for me to photograph the end result because this tree is tall. Okay, what am I doing? There I am. Now I had some wood rounds. And I think I got these from Temu. They're really pretty good. I've been getting a lot of things from Temu lately. Sometimes their prices are better than Dollar Tree. I haven't been to Dollar Tree that much. So I'm taking some of these and fitting them on for ornaments. And then, of course, after I get done with the whole project, then I think about, I could have put them together in a garland. And I'll probably still do that. Let me know if you want to see that. I've got some cards that you'll see at the very end that have Alice in Wonderland on it, and those would be cute to make a garland out of. So, like if I did every other one, it'd be really cute. You could leave that up any time of year. You could put it in a kid's room. So I needed some more small ones, and I took Tweedledum and Tweedledee and just cut their heads out. It's such a big piece, I don't think I'd have any use for it. But the heads I would. And I decided to keep the wood natural. I thought it would look good. Because there's an awful lot of white in some of these, and so I just thought against the background it'd be really cute. Okay, I get the dodo. And there they are. And I'm going to put the tree in the one pencil container. Now I'm sealing them with I'm trying to think if it's, anyway, it's like a Mod Podge. You can use Mod Podge or any of your preferred sealers. And I put the little plates up on there, little cups and plates on there, and put some roses around, red roses. And there we have it. Let me know what you think. I know I still need to set up a place where I can do my photography at the end. I still haven't found my light box. I love that dodo. And it looks like Alice is reaching for the roses. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. You guys are what makes me want to keep doing this. I just love crafting, but I love crafting with you guys. Let's see, you could put cards in something like that. There's so many things that you can make over that you just wouldn't think of, everyday things. And there's some of the cards. And don't you think if I turned the ornaments and the cards into a banner, it would be adorable? So just an afterthought. And like I said, I appreciate each and every one of you that came. And please come again. I'm getting close to 3,000. I know I could be more if I'd get my brewing gear. But like I said, I appreciate each and every one of you. So goodbye for now, and I will see you again very soon. And hopefully I'm going to try to put something out once a week. Okay, bye for now.